We're going to talk about this Moen kitchen faucet. This is a model from around 2008 that I put in, and this is 2018, so it's been 10 years, so I forgot how I put it in. Anyway, I needed to replace it, so I bought another one. The one I bought was a Moen, very similar, but it had a different mounting scheme. It had 3 screws on it, and so I couldn't tell how to get the old one off the sink. I disconnected the water supplies and this handle, spray handle, which connects right there. That's where the spray handle connects. And the hot and cold water connect here. So, I couldn't find any resources on YouTube that would tell me how to get this thing off. Like I said, I didn't remember how to put it on. But I studied it and I said, well, there's a nut here. It looks like a nut. I thought this was all one piece. This nut and this nipple, I thought it was one piece. It was hard to see up there. So I said, okay, maybe it's not one piece. Maybe this nut just comes off. And that's how I can get it off. So I proceeded to go ahead and try that. So I got a 5/8 inch deep socket, an extension, because you can't get in there with a ratchet there because you don't have any room and you're against the wall. The wall was here. So I went ahead and tried this, and yeah, and it started turning. So I said, yeah, this is probably the way it comes off. So I turn it with my fingers now, and yeah, this nut's moving. The nipple's staying stationary, so the nipple's part of this assembly, and the nut's moving freely. So I just took it on and off like that, like this, and give me a minute. Yeah, there's the nut. I said, okay, so let's pull this off. Yeah, sure enough, that comes off. Now I can get it out of the sink, because the sink plate's right here. The sink sheet metal's here. Okay, I'm gonna put it back on. Put the nut back on. Now, I went out and looked at my toolbox and I forgot that I had a special tool for this task. A Moen faucet tool. It was in my toolbox. I even wrote it on the tool. I guess I used this sometime way in the past. Anyway, so you can do the same thing with it. It's a socket in there. Allows you to stick it up there like that. But on this one, you got to put a screwdriver in the hole here to turn the thing, which is a little bit more difficult than a ratchet. So, but you get the same effect, and you have to pull a screwdriver out and keep doing it that way. Then you can turn it by hand eventually, I guess. So this is another way to do the same thing with the ratchet and the deep socket. But this is how to get this circa 2008 Moen kitchen faucet off your sink. And it just lifts right out at that point. Okay? So I hope that helps you.